What's up, guys? Welcome to Beard King's beard bib tips and tricks. First, you will unzip your beard bib and you take all of the contents out of the pouch. Then grab the Velcro straps, place them around your neck, making sure it is nice and snug, and spread the extra fabric over your shoulders in order to prevent your shirt from getting hairs on it. Grab the suction cups, shoulder width apart and shoulder height, and you take it to the mirror. If you have the space, you can spread them all the way out, or you can pull on the tabs if your space is limited, pull it closer together, and create a small tray with a plastic insert to put all your trimming tools on. Depending on the size of your beard, you'll want to take either your beard brush or beard comb to whisk away any loose hairs or dead skin. Now, before you start grooming, I recommend that you lean forward into the bib. That way all the hairs will go inside of the bib. If you get hairs on your hands, on your arms, or on the clippers, wipe your hands, your arms, and tap the clipper to keep all the hairs from getting on the countertop or inside the sink. If you have to step away for a second, just pull the Velcro straps, grab the grommets, and place them on the plastic hooks, and take a phone call, answer the door, change the battery on your clippers, or perhaps step away to your royal throne. Then when you're done, put the Velcro straps back on and continue your grooming. Now when you're done grooming, you'll want to tap the underside of the bib like so until all of the hair comes to the middle and creates a small ball or tumbleweed. Now if there's any stragglers at the top, you can take your beard brush or beard comb and sweep the excess down. To remove the beard bib, take the suction cups off the mirror by using the taps and avoid pulling the plastic hooks because they will break. Pull the suction cups together and create a slide so that way all your trimmings can effectively and efficiently go into the trash can. And now you're done with your trimming. Now you take the Velcro straps off and flip all of the contents back into the pouch. Shake it a few times, zip it, and you're done. Thank you for watching Beard King's beard bib tips and tricks.
Fear the beard, not the mess. Beard King.